You know what they say? Another day, another McLaren. That's me. That's Project. We're gonna drive today. It's gonna be a fun day. Last night had to be the funnest night of driving I ever had because it was two McLarens. It was just glazed, maximum glaze, but everything looked good.
And that's a good thing.
All right, as you can see, got the blue McGlizzy over there. They hopping in. It's a little dirty under there. I don't know why, if y'all see that. These cars get dirty fast, I ain't gonna lie. Then we got the black one. Can't show the Addy. You feel me? Addy. How you feel, bro?
I feel great. I feel good. I'm in a McLeese with the doors going up. Come on.
Oh, yeah, the door's really up. I forgot about that.
Come on, bro. The door's up and we up. Oh, yeah.
Bro,
Bench press that jump.
Bro trying to fly away like a butterfly, bro. Yo. Alright, so we're in the 720. As you can see, right there we got the 750. I don't know if y'all can see it in the rearview mirror. You're a little far back. But right now we're going to the gym and going to Best Buy, running a few errands. But we're gonna have a cool little drive today. Nah, one of my top favorite features of this car, when you push this button, I don't want to spoil it. All right, so you got the miles per hour thing right there, right? And then when you push this button, it rotates. Track mode. That's like top 3 features in this car, bro. And then also the shift, the paddles, you could like upshift and downshift on one paddle. I don't know if y'all see that. So you can literally drive with one hand, literally. I think this is the best car, honestly. Bro, he way back there, bro. He all the way back there. Yo, I didn't even notice, but when you drive like this, you don't know how much gas you got. Boom. Wait, it literally said 15 miles, literally like before I stopped. That's crazy, I ain't gonna lie. But now it's 30, it is double gas. But we got 720 right here, 750 right here. It's old cops, you know what I'm saying? About to get on the highway. Bro, it's such a good day. realize this is superior glaze right now. Like we're getting glazed on right now.
When we were parking, there was like a group of people.
How you feel, bro?
But I ain't never seen a group of people in a car together hop out to take pictures.
Bro, they stopped in front of our They stopped in front of our cars. Crazy Yahweh. Yeah, they stopped in front of our cars, blocked us in just to take photos.
Nah, bro. When we were pulling in, there was a group of people just standing there, like waiting for us to park, and they were just smiling.
What the?
Bro, you don't get that, bro. I don't care what no one says. You don't
Lamborghini doesn't get that, bro.
A Lamborghini Huracan does not get that.
Yeah, it don't.
This looks like a literal UFO. That's why it gets that big. Like, bro.
And then the doors go up.
Notice the Corvettes.
Bro, it looks.
That got blue interior though.
It looks lonely.
Bro, it got blue interior. Bro, you should.
Don't say.
It got blue interior. That's kind of.
Bro, I don't want that.
That's actually kind of tough.
I don't want that crap, bro.
I take the.
I don't want that crap, bro. 720, 700 series, 750, 765 LT, McLaren. I'm a McLaren driver.
750 all the way.
720, 750, 765 LT. I'm a McLaren driver.
I was really debating it last night. Like, whether I should get a Lambo or a McLaren.
Wait, what are we here for? I've never seen a Lamborghini with a dipped interior. I've seen so many different McLarens with it. That's boring.
After the amount of glaze I need to
How you feeling, bro?
I'm not getting. Bro, listen, like I just told him, and I'm gonna tell the camera again. I ain't never seen a group of people in the car together hop out the car to take a picture, gang. Hold on. Do your homework though. Before y'all pulled up, it was a crowd behind us like it was MJ or something. She about to do the moonwalk for the first time. I'm not in trouble.
Facts. Y'all homework, bro. I ain't never got glazed this much, bro. Glaze everywhere. Everywhere. Glaze on me, glaze on him, glaze on everybody. Just glaze everywhere, bro. It's just glazing. For no reason. Wait, there is a reason, though.
That's facts. It is.
What's the reason?
My doors go up. Yo, look. You read this?
Drive safe. I need you here with me. What you think about that?
She didn't give me that until I got a McLaren, bro. She didn't give me this until I got a McLaren, you feel me? You seen this, bro? She didn't give me this until I got a McLaren. Cause she know my other car was way slower. And the doors didn't go up. Huh?
Bro, I don't even know what to say right now, bro. Like,
bro, we can't even shop, bro. We just trying to shop in peace. We can't even shop in peace, bro. Oh my gosh.
This got it.
Bro, I can't even shop in peace no more.
You can't shop in peace no more, bro.
Can't shop in peace, bro. They own me.
What can we do?
They own my body.
Get our stuff together, bro. They not doing that to us. Bro.
How am I in the store and I'm still getting glazed on, bro?
I don't even, bro. No.
Bro, it's a whole mob of people, bro. A whole mob. A whole 10-piece.
Going to EOS, bro.
I feel like they could feel the aura, bro. What is that? Did you get a camera?
What you feeling like?
That's a medical.
Bro, am I see? Is this real? No. We have a mob. I think we have a fan base now. Do we have a fan base? Bro, nah. This is bro. I can't shop in peace. I can't. Someone, Majestic, what you feeling like?
They're not doing that to no Huracan, bro.
They're not.
They just keyed the one on the other side with the brown leather seat.
You just keyed it?
Just went straight down the side.
Are you serious?
No way.
Not the green one, straight, I don't know.
What the? Y'all heard that? Someone just keyed the car. Someone just keyed the car, bro.
Man, I'm just
Praise Yahweh. But
I kid y'all not. 20 people done took a photo of this car since we've been here for 5 minutes, bro. It don't make no sense. They don't do this no hurricanes, bro. They don't do this no hurricanes, babe.
you can't make this up, bro.
Not at all.
It doesn't, bro. Like we just
You have to flex
every time.
24/7, bro.
20
Doors up at a red light. You got to flex, bro. You
got
got
to,
to
bro.
flex. It's mandatory.
Mandatory, bro.
If you're not flexing in the McLaren,
You're not doing it
boring.
right.
That's boring, bro. That's actually boring. Come on. Doors up.
You're not doing it right.
Red light, doors up.